Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Sons of the Forest, and I have played this game before, so I'm just gonna play how I've usually been playing. So yeah, I hope you like the video and let's get right into it. Okay, so I start off in a helicopter. I mean, I have played this game before. What's gonna happen? But I'm not saying, because I'm not spoiling. Okay. So we're going down. Oh, there's a little raft there. See that? That's a big mountain, bro. That's a big ass mountain. Okay. Calvin, my boy, how you been? Fish eye? Goofy ass. Where do you think it's possible to read this? Okay, well, I'm not gonna go with my computer. Fight demons. Demons aren't real. Oh no, we're crashing. Looks like we're landing in the water. Yeah. There's different landing spots. You can land in the mountain area, in a tree, or in the water. I do not say that the water is bad. The water is actually my favorite landing because you actually land close to a cave that has a diving gear thing which you need to complete the game. So I'm gonna start by getting that. Well, first I just gotta get me out of this helicopter because, yeah, I can't live in water. Come on! Open the damn door! Swim out. Swim out. I just took a little nap. Oh, it's Silver Guy. Oh yeah, if you don't know, I call this guy Silver Guy because his shirt is, yeah, silver. Not made of silver, but it's silver, like the color. And I'll take another nap. Thank you for I wanted to take another nap. Yippee! Okay. And now I'll wake up, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna grab my backpack and my emergency pack. And well, let's get into the gameplay. First I'm gonna open my inventory and get my axe, because you can't be in a forest without an axe. Or you can, but if you wanna build a base. I'm just gonna open these things. You can also just do this, but I usually just hold E because I'm used to doing that. I'm gonna revive you, Kelvin. Just hold up. Okay, now we'll get Kelvin. As you can see, Kelvin has gone deaf because his ears has gotten injured by the crash, so we can't hear anything. So we gotta use like a paper and write stuff so that he can know what to do. Like we could tell him to like get sticks or something like that. Basically. So here, get sticks and build fire, maintain base, stay here, take a break. For now, I'm just gonna say follow me. Then he follows me. And he'll read that because he's not blind, he's just deaf. Okay, so over there, I know there's a machete. I'm gonna grab that later. I think I'm gonna grab the diving gear first. There's also a taser in here. I might also grab that. I am gonna grab that. Was starting the video off by entering a cave. Find Team B. Find the Puffton family. Got it. Let me just open my... Get all these animations done so I don't have to worry about them later. I think I'm gonna craft a spear. No, I don't have any sticks. Okay, well, let's go into the cave. Hope this isn't bad. Okay. So if you see these computers that basically have this ticket, it basically means if you hold E, yeah, see it down in the corner? New location discovered. Entertainment bunker. So basically you need to define these, you need to go to them, there's basically more computers there. You need to, yeah. Okay, Puffton outbites Sahara. What the hell's... Dude, What the hell? What the hell? Well, I'll just get back when like I'm further in the game if the good stuff comes. Okay, and we're back. We're a little bit further in the cave. The reason why I said that, it wasn't really because it was entertainment. Someone called me, had to answer it. And yeah. Basically that's it. Now I'm gonna go explore this cave. Yippee! Cave diving! Yippee! Hello, Mr. Mutant. I'm not gonna play with you today. Those are not cannibals, those are mutants. Basically mutated people. And cannibals, yeah, well, I hope you know what cannibals mean. I don't really want to explain that. Well, I guess we're going for the taser first. Well, that's a finger mutant. They're harder, and you actually get something from them when you kill them. You get creepy armor. When it basically, well, it's armor. It's armor. Do I really need to explain? And these are mutated babies. They are just annoying as hell. Over here, right? Oh, look at that. Well, I'm gonna just grab the taser. Nice, we got the taser. Now we can tase people. Or, I don't know who to tase. Except for Kelvin, that's a person. Oh, we can tase cannibals. I mean, they're still people. They're just cannibals. Super fun. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna just go out of this cave now. Go to the diving gear. Get the hell out of this cave. Oh yeah, if you die once, you basically just respawn in this cave, like in the start or something. I don't know. Well, basically, if you die twice, you die, and you have to reload your last save. So that's why you're gonna see me save a bit. No, not a bit. I'm not gonna save that much. I don't know what I'm saving. Shit! No! I'm stuck! This isn't fair! Hell no! I'm out. I'm out. Hell no, I'm out. I am out. No. I won't play with those. I just want to get the diving gear and get the hell out of here. Probably get the machete after this. I think it's over here. Yeah, it's over here. It has to be over here that the diving gear is. Yep. Oh, hello there, Mr. Shark. I was gonna say tralala tralala, but no. He doesn't have any shoes. bones. I saw emeries and cloth. Diving gear. Let's go, baby. To be honest, I don't want to kill the shark because, first of all, I don't have any weapons for it, and it's not needed. Just jump down here and swim out here. It's really not that hard. You don't need to kill the shark. Well, yay, yippee. We're out of the first cave. First cave done out of I don't know how many caves. Well, now we should probably go find a base, then get another thing we need to get a thing. Why am I just saying a thing? I should just say, oh damn, I got a flashback. So basically, a harpoon gun. Basically makes it so that we can, not a harpoon, zipline gun. What am I saying? You shoot the harpoon, zipline, and you can ride that zipline, and that's the whole point of the zipline gun. And yes, it's a gun, not like a gun, not like a gun where you just put a zipline harpoon on. I can say that that's a real thing. Oh, fish. Well, I'll go over to this camp. Oh, a flare. Oh, what are the odds that I get there and he dies right when I see him? What is the odds? What do you think? What do y'all think? What do y'all think is gonna happen? Ooh, grenade. I'll take solar panel. Oh, now you're gonna magically die when I get here. Oh, oh, machete. Oh, I love this weapon, bro. Why am I holding a lighter? It's not dark. I'm holding a map. Oh, I'm the biggest bird. Did you try to eat my what are these called again? I have no clue what they're called. Well, I'm gonna skin this bird. Oh, very nice. Oh. Why am I saying ugh? That's disgusting. I played this game before. I have played these games before. So bad, yeah. Okay, why are so many people calling me? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Ignore my calling sound. I don't really know what to have as a calling sound. Well, oh, no, that's my old one. Yeah. Now, first cave is done, and you can see how big this island is. I'm gonna have a lot of parts for this video, right? Now there's a bog darky out of my... Dude, what the hell? Are they trying to stop my video? Well, I'm gonna try to get some sticks. Sup, Kelvin? He's not, his name is not Kevin, it's Kelvin. As you know. A lot of people say Kevin. Well, I do also do that, but yeah, I started saying Kevin. Well, anyway, now we just craft a spear. And I just want to tell you, the crafting animations, just look at them. Wow. That's amazing. I gotta tell you, that's amazing. Like, look at this one. Damn. Well, let's keep going. Oh, wait. Yeah, let's keep going. We're gonna go to that little, you see that on my map? You see that the little purple thingy? That has like not those two over there, not in the water and not over there. The one over here, near the cave. We're not gonna go in the cave. I'm saving that for another part. so basically, yeah, we're gonna go over there. It's simple. So I'ma just skip the video till we'll get there, or something cool happens. Oh, blueberries and salmon berries. Oh, ooh, ooh. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. I'm the Schwab. Well, well, well. Looks like we got some prayers here. That's dead. Yeah, they're obviously dead. Did they get killed or? I think they got killed. Oh, let's keep going. Oh, there's a car over here. Oh, a car! Oh, my terrible driving skills finally comes to a start. Alright. I don't really want to show my driving skills, so I think I'm just gonna. Oh. Yeah, I can't be here yet. I'm a little bit too far ahead. Tell them, jump on! Okay, you think I fall? You know what? I'm up. Well, I'm just gonna skip to when I get there because it's just gonna be boring just driving around. No one's gonna like me driving around. I'm skipping to them. Oh, we're almost here and I decided to go back here because go here. As you can see, I'm here now. And I decided to go here because of course there's another flare and that means loot. If you remember, what did we get last time? We got a machete. What do y'all think we're gonna get now? I'll give you 3 seconds to try to guess. 1, 2, 3. If you guessed an axe, you're correct. We got a modern axe, baby. Put that in my pocket. I'm just gonna do that. Okay, hold up, I'm just doing something. There. Okay. So yeah, we got a better axe. Does more damage. It's not really faster, but it does more damage. Sup, Kelvin? How you been, my guy? If I swear, if you say I farted again. I did not fart. So I just gonna collect these stuff and then I'm gonna go get up here. Cause I think there's a Team B guy up here that we need to find. As you can see in the beginning, it says find the Pofty family and find Team B 0 out of 3. I think this is gonna be the first one, and I think all of them are Team B, the purple markers. I think. Yeah, there are Team B. I don't know what I'm saying. I think. I'm just grab my spear real quick, because I'm gonna show you something cool. I guess it's cool. I'm not sure. No, I don't need this spear. Wait, hold up. I'm just gonna 2, 1, 3. Okay. So basically over here, this guy got strangled by a rope hanging up here. As you can hear, the beeping song gets louder. That means I'm closer to it. You see this rope? Probably wondering, oh, it's just a normal rope. No, you need to cut it. And now, there's a guy down there. As you can see there, that's a Team B guy. Ow. I hurt. And we got a flashlight. And you see down there, find Team B, 1 out of 3, GPS locator. I think I'm gonna make my way over to this pond, because I think that's gonna be a good base location for a base. Yay! I might just walk there off camera. Oh guys. We got a first cannibal. I just remember I can't show some part of the cannibals on YouTube. So I'm gonna try my best to stay out of combat and just blur out some things. I mean, if you just blur it out, everything will be fine, right? Okay, I'm just gonna skip to when I get there. Okay, I got a little bit bloody from that fight. Well, we're here at the pond. I think it will make a great base location. Holy shit, this will be an amazing thumbnail. Hold up real quick. Hold up. Okay. Got the thumbnail! Got the thumbnail! Yay! Got the thumbnail! So nice. Okay. Well, back to the game. Okay. I'm not sure ways to make it my base. I think I'm gonna make it over here. Flowers. Oh shit. I did not mean to destroy those flowers. I think I'm gonna make it over here. Because I think here's a good base location. So let's get down to chopping trees, I guess. Chopping some trees. Chopping trees. Hey. And I'm only gonna make the foundation for this episode because I'm not gonna have enough time to create a whole ass base. Because I also want to get to the entertainment bunker in this video. Then I'm gonna probably accomplish everything I want in this part. But for now, I'm gonna just stick to a foundation. Almost done. I think that's about done. I'm gonna just get rid of these stumps real quick, and then we should. Oh, I probably want to get rid of this tree also. Then we're done. Epic cutting tree moment. Dude, have you seen the graphics of this game also? This even feel like a game. Graphics are insane. Well, it is starting to become night, so probably gonna do this a little bit quicker. Like that. There. I'm just an epic guy cutting trees, and as you see, it's starting to become night, and I don't like darkness, so I'm gonna try to get this foundation done! Or, you know, we can just build a tent. Or, you know, you can just build a tent and sleep. Shut the hell up, I don't wanna build a tent, well, I can cut that thing off, because I need to get rid of this tree. I'm gonna just try to get this foundation up. I need to get rid of this tree. Dude, I should have started by getting rid of many trees. It's getting really dark. I don't like this. Oh, this just makes the game more creepy. What the hell? Well, I don't need that part. Okay. We're almost done with the foundation. I'll probably expand this base. Shit, you scared the crap out of me, Calvin. I'm probably gonna expand this base sometime. Thanks for holding on to that, Calvin. No, throw that away. Throw that away. No, I think I need higher. Yeah. That's the first one done. Do I have enough wood? I swear, if I don't have enough wood, I should have enough wood. I'll have way much wood. Oh, wrong way. And I think I have the foundation up to the house right here. I'll just make the stairs, then I'll go to the entertainment bunker. And I'll finish this house some other time. Because the foundation is done. And that's one more thing accomplished. Or you know what, screw it. Let's create more. Let's create more. Like, what could go wrong? It's just a game about surviving in a forest. Don't be a sissy. It's not just surviving in the forest. Yeah, no, I'm not. I think I'm just gonna have to sleep. I think I'm just gonna sleep. I can't. There. Put away the flashlight. Sleep. I swear if I got woken up. Nice, I didn't get waken up. Sleep. Did I accidentally save my own? No, I didn't. Okay, nice. Let's get back to chopping some trees. We're on day 2. If you made it this far, comment forest in the comment section. Well, I'm just gonna get the foundation done, then yeah, I'm just gonna skip to the good part, so yeah, I'll see you there. And with that, the floor is officially completed. Yeah, before it took some time, it took 5 minutes. Not really that long, but yeah. I'm basically just repairing it now. Well, now that we're done with the foundation, we can call ourselves home by doing this. First, we stick a pin, stick, I mean. Place it around with rock so it doesn't fall. Grab our GPS tracker that we got. Choose home. And place it. Now you see on the map, home. Nice, we got a home. Okay, well, now I just want to go to the entertainment bunker. So, it's not really that far away. Don't need to stop recording. Grab my axe. On my phone, because I want to watch some TikToks while, yes, being in the forest. Oh, a raccoon, come here, you filthy rat. Where are you? Oh, he ran away. Oh, a camp! Not with one with, what's called a flare guy, but it's still a camp. What was that? What the hell was that? I don't know what the hell that was. Oh, a camera. Oh, I knocked over the camera. Oh, damn, I'm not gonna survive that fall. So, wait, do I have any meds? I do. Let's pop one. I am also a little bit thirsty. I'm gonna just eat a raw fish and raw meat in this game is not bad. It's totally safe to eat. It's just that cooked meat is a little bit better. But I don't really have the time to cook the meat. I mean, I do, but I don't wanna cook meat. Not a chef. I'm gonna drink an energy drink. Or I'm gonna drink two because I feel like it. And I made this. Okay, now that we're ready, we're full HP, full thirst, not full hunger, full energy. That's what the moon means, I think. And the purple just means that it's not that I have slept, it's that energy bars that I'm drinking. We're at the entertainment bunker! Yippee! Let's go in, guys! You might say, oh, this is a cave. No, it's not like, it is a cave for like some time when you come into the bunker. Well, we're in the bunker, yippee. There's also a 3D scanner here. I'm just pick up this book because I feel like it. I can't skip this long ass cutscene. So, yeah. Timmy. Okay, I'll just grab this. I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna put it a flask because a flask is gonna be good. And meanwhile, that's pretty picking. I'm gonna go look over here. Cause those things are called flesh walls. They're literally, that's where you respawn if you die in a cave. Oh, door. Oh, it looks like I need a key card. I don't have that. We'll come back here another time when I have the key card though. For now, I'm gonna go see if my flask is done. It's done! Nice! Now, I'm gonna 3D print some arrows. Arrows would be nice, even though I don't have a bow. But that's when I'm crafting a bow. Because if I do this, I think this is a bow. Yeah, this is a bow. What can I craft? Oh. I can make energy mix. That means my arrows is done, and I'll create another one. What can I also make? I need. And nice, I got my arrows, but I think that's gonna be it for the first video. If you wanna see part 2, remember to hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!